While most of the world was still asleep, I was making my way to a quiet viewpoint above Fermanagh. No crowds, no noise, no guarantees, just the hope that somewhere beyond the darkness, the morning had something special waiting. Sunrise is never really about the sun. It's about the waiting, standing in the cold, watching the landscape slowly reveal itself, wondering whether the clouds will open, whether the light will arrive, or whether today will remain hidden. And somehow, that's part of the magic. Then it begins, not all at once. The darkness retreats quietly. The valleys wake first. The hills begin to glow. Fields, forests, and lakes slowly emerge from the shadows. Every morning tells a different story. Some arrive with color. Some arrive with mist. Others arrive wrapped in cloud. But each one reminds me why I keep coming back. Places like this make the world feel bigger. They remind us how small our worries really are. Tomorrow's problems can wait. The emails can wait. The routines can wait. For a few minutes, there's only the landscape, the morning light, and the feeling of being exactly where you're meant to be. And that's enough. More than enough.